This is a Spanish tortilla. What I am doing is taking 6 Yukon Gold or thin-skinned white potatoes of small to medium size and parboiling them for a few minutes. And then we have to dry them completely, period. Drain them before you put them in a pan. So the reason I do this is to make sure that they absorb as little water as possible and that they cook as fast as possible. And then I took 6-8 ounces of medium-sized spinach, or you can do 1 bundle of flat leaf Italian kale, stem it, thinly slice it, and fold the greens in. So we par-cooked the potatoes. These guys boiled a few minutes in salted water until they were tender. Put it into a pan with about 1/3 cup of olive oil for a 12-inch pan. 12-inch skillet, non-stick, and then I started wilting in greens. When the greens are wilted in, I added some sliced garlic because we put garlic in everything, okay? Now it looks like this. Look, we have all this tender material ready for the egg. So we're going to take 12 eggs because I have a 12-inch pan. When we're cooking frittata, every inch of pan is equal to 1 egg. So I'm gonna take a 1.5 cups of grated Manchego cheese. Or you can use Monterey Jack or any easy melting cheese you like. I like Manchego, it's a little more sturdy, adds a little more taste. And we're going to add pimento or pimenton. Pimenton is smoked paprika. Gonna get this all together. And we're going to add some piquillo peppers. This is 1 small jar. Once it's drained, it's about 4 ounces of piquillo peppers. Just mixing them into the potatoes and onions and garlic, okay? Now I'm gonna turn back the heat a bit. And I'm going to add half the cheese, as I showed you, okay? And 12 eggs to the 12-inch skillet. It's really thick and deep in here, guys. It has to be really dense. Okay, now we're gonna transfer this to the oven at 400 degrees at the center of the oven. It's just starting to get a little bit firm in the middle. It's still a little bouncy. We're gonna take the rest of the Manchego cheese and put that up on top. So I grated about 1.5 cups total, and I put half into the tortilla, remember, and I'm gonna put some, you can do cilantro or parsley or both. I'm doing parsley. Shall we pop it back in just for 2 seconds to melt that last little bit of cheese? And we can turn this off. Yeah, just let the residual heat cook that through. I mean, how pretty is that? It's steaming, it's puffed, it's beautiful. Potatoes, eggs, piquillo peppers, spinach, garlic, onions. I'm gonna take a little bit of melon, and it could be red or green melon. This has lime juice, pink peppercorn, and a black peppercorn melange. This is Spanish, basically prosciutto. Look at this meal.